Alright, so you get your ground beef, get it ready. So you take it out of the container. Alright, and then you're gonna get your already whisked egg. Oh, some pepper and salt, you know, whisk it up. I'm just gonna put a little bit, we don't need too much in there. It's just a little bit of egg in there. It's not the whole, you know, ground beef, just the leftovers. A little bit of seasoning in there, some salt and pepper. Alright, I'll have to put in there. Italian herb seasoning, slightly, just light. Get some flavor on there. Alright. And then we're gonna get a little bit more of my other seasoning, grillers, for that grilled taste. Next, you're just gonna get it with your hands. Make sure you wash your hands. And you're gonna mince it really good. Just get it in there. Mix it with the egg yolk. I think one hand's a little better. Two's kind of good, but I think one a lot better. I get both hands too dirty. But I mean, eventually you're gonna have to use both hands, so. Mix it up. I like to do a little bit. Oh, pummeling. Alright. Now, it feels as if it's almost mixed good already. I think this is good enough. Alright. Now, you get yourself a plate here, right? Okay. So now, you get yourself a little piece. Alright, maybe just a cool ball. Almost like pretty much a meatball size you're doing. See? A little bit more here. There you go. And you're gonna pat it up. Add some little bit of time. And you're just gonna get into a quick little ball. Right? Just like that. And you're gonna wanna kind of press it. I wanna press it a little bit here. Okay, so you got your patty now. Alright. One right there. Put it on this plate. Alright, so you get your hamburger bun. We're gonna get some mayo here. You're gonna get some mustard, just a little bit in the middle, it'll spread. And then you need ketchup. Make sure you shake the ketchup well. You don't want that watery stuff. You want it like that. Next, you're gonna grab your pickles. I like to put 4, so one there. Right there. All right. Yep, and then we're just gonna have the burger. And the burger's already ready. Mmm. Look at that steam coming out of there. Mmm.